So I wanted to give the LifeProof case a test. Here's a LifeProof case. We have a video playing. My iPhone's in here. And we're going to see how it does in the toilet. Yes, that's my phone in the toilet. Yep, still works. And of course now, I'm going to come over to the sink and wash it off. Because that's disgusting. It was in the toilet. Even though I cleaned the toilet, it feels rather disgusting, I have to tell you.